Have you ever thought about a computer that doesn't just think in zeros and ones? Imagine a machine that can explore millions of possibilities all at once. That's the incredible promise of quantum computing. It's a completely new way of processing information, using the strange and wonderful rules of quantum physics, the science of the super small. This isn't just a faster version of the laptop on your desk, it's a monumental leap into a new kind of computation. It's like going from an abacus straight to a supercomputer. Today, we're standing at the very beginning of this revolution. The time to start learning about it is right now. For decades, quantum computing was mostly a theoretical idea, something scientists dreamed about in labs, but now it's becoming a reality. The progress is happening incredibly fast. For your business, this isn't some far-off science fiction concept anymore. It's a technology just over the horizon. Think of it like the early days of the internet. The companies that saw its potential early defined the digital age. We are at a similar crossroads with quantum computing. Organizations that explore its possibilities now will be the pioneers of the quantum era. This is your invitation to get curious. The quantum revolution is coming, and you want to be ready for it. To understand the magic of quantum computing, let's first look at the computers we use every day. These are called classical computers. Everything they do is based on tiny switches called bits. Each bit can either be a 0 or a 1, like a light switch that is either off or on. All the amazing things your phone or laptop can do are just incredibly long and complex sequences of these zeros and ones. It's a powerful system, but it has its limits, especially when problems get really complicated. Now let's step into the quantum world. Instead of bits, quantum computers use something called qubits. This is where things get exciting. Thanks to superposition, a qubit can be a 0, a 1, or both at the same time. Imagine a spinning coin instead of a light switch. While it's spinning, it's a mix of both possibilities, but wait, there's more. Qubits also have another superpower called entanglement. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. When two qubits are entangled, they become linked in a special way. No matter how far apart they are, one instantly affects the other. If one spinning coin lands on heads, its entangled partner will instantly land on tails. This deep connection allows quantum computers to perform incredibly complex calculations in a deeply interconnected way, making them exponentially more powerful for certain types of problems. A classical computer tries every key one by one. A quantum computer can try all the keys at the same time. For solving huge, complex problems, it's a complete game changer. It's not just a faster computer, it's a whole new tool for thinking. The unique power of quantum computers isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's poised to transform entire industries by solving impossible problems. Let's look at the world of finance. Financial institutions deal with incredibly complex calculations every day, like finding the best investment strategies from millions of options. A quantum computer could evaluate all possible market outcomes at once, creating more stable portfolios. Now, think about healthcare and medicine. Discovering a new drug is incredibly long and expensive. It involves simulating how millions of molecules might interact with diseases. This is a massive challenge for today's computers. Quantum computers are naturally good at simulating molecules because molecules operate on quantum rules. This could help create personalized medicine tailored to individual genetics. Even how we move goods could be revolutionized. Consider logistics and transportation. UPS, FedEx finding the most efficient routes for thousands of vehicles. A quantum computer could analyze every route combination instantly and find the absolute best one. This would lead to massive fuel savings, faster deliveries, and significant carbon emission reductions, creating new, stronger materials for manufacturing, developing more accurate climate change models. Industries that learn to wield this will define the future, creating solutions we can only dream of today. Quantum computing offers a new lens on our world's most complex challenges. While the promise of quantum computing is incredibly exciting, it also comes with a serious challenge that every organization needs to understand right now. This challenge lies at the heart of our digital world: cybersecurity. Most encryption we rely on today to protect sensitive data is based on mathematical problems too hard for classical computers. It would take a regular computer billions of years to break these codes. We feel safe because they're practically unbreakable. However, a powerful quantum computer could change all of that. The same abilities that make quantum computers great also make them effective at breaking encryption methods we use today. A specific quantum algorithm known as Shor's algorithm is designed to do just that. Once built, it could theoretically crack these codes in hours or days, not billions of years. This would render our current digital security obsolete, putting nearly all stored information at risk. This isn't just a future problem, it's a harvest now, decrypt later threat. Malicious actors could be collecting encrypted data today, waiting for quantum computers. Imagine all your company's emails, financial records, and intellectual property being downloaded and saved. By the time quantum computers arrive, it will be too late to protect already stolen data. The good news is that we can prepare for this. Researchers are developing quantum-resistant cryptography, new security standards safe from both classical and quantum attacks. Upgrading security infrastructure will take years. The time to start planning is now. So how can your organization get ready for this quantum future without needing a team of physicists? The journey can be broken down into 3 simple steps. Learn, plan, partner. The first step is education. You don't need to become a quantum expert, but your team should build foundational understanding of what quantum computing is and isn't. Encourage curiosity, share articles, watch videos, arrange workshops. This creates a quantum-aware culture and starts conversations about business impact. Once your team has basic understanding, the next step is to plan. Start by identifying opportunities and risks. Which complex business problems could quantum help solve? Think about optimization, research, simulation challenges. Assess cybersecurity risks. What sensitive data do you have and how is it protected? Create a long-term roadmap for transitioning to quantum-resistant cryptography. This isn't about big investments today, but thoughtful strategy. Finally, nobody can navigate the quantum revolution alone. The third step is to partner. The quantum ecosystem is growing quickly, with startups, university labs, and large tech companies like Google, IBM, Microsoft. They're making quantum systems available through the cloud for hands-on experience. Collaborate with industry peers, join consortiums. By working with others, you learn faster in this rapidly evolving field. Getting ready for the quantum revolution is a marathon, not a sprint. The steps you take today build momentum and prepare for a future rich with opportunity. Companies that embrace curiosity and take steady steps forward now will thrive in the quantum age. The adventure is just beginning.